Okay, so today we're going to be looking at the Würth 50-piece limited edition Reinhold Würth tool set. First thing you'll notice, you have the hard black ABS case with the Würth logo and the Reinhold Würth signature that goes with it. And if we turn it round and open it up, you get full metal clasps, which is quite nice. And we open that over. And there we go. So we have a 50-piece tool assortment there. If we work from left to right, what we start off with, so we start off with an 8-inch combination wrench, obviously full metal, adjustable slide on there, and that will go all the way out to 30mm, which is very useful. We've also got the needle nose pliers. Okay, nice and small. What's nice about these ones as well, you have the PU-based handle, so it's not going to get damaged to things like diesel, oil, petrol, or things like that. So very, very useful. And you also notice that the clamping jaws do remain straight with the teeth all aligned as well. So extra level grip on those. Part of it as well, we've also got the standard set of pliers in there as well. We also have the 2C cutter knife from Würth. And what's really nice about this is, first of all, it's in red. It's PU based again, nice grip handle, black blading slide, and that is a slidable, adjustable with break-off blade points. So again, very, very useful. Okay, so moving across, we've also got a set of 6 Allen keys running from 2mm up to 6mm, both in 2 little combination holders. So that's quite a nice little addition because you can separate those out, easily transport them. We've also got a selection of bits here. So we've got posi, we've got Torx, we've also got RW drive, we've got flat in there as well. So you've got 2 sets, very easy, along with the magnetic lockable bit holder. We've also got a socket extendable arm, which we'll come to later on with the socket set. And if we run through as well, we've also got 4 screwdrivers in here. You've got 2 flat heads, and then you've also got 2 posi drives in there as well for PH1 and PH2, not posi, sorry. And then also we've got a machinist's hammer, which is quite nice, wooden handle to absorb the impact, and a quite sturdy heavy head. So that's a really nice addition that goes in there as well. Moving along, we've also got, get that out, there we go. We've also got a 1/4-inch screwdriver, which will take socket heads inside the kit, which we'll get to in just a moment. So that's really useful. You get a nice ergonomic handle with it, which makes it super grippy, really easy to get applied torque to. And if you do need that extra additional torque, you've also got internal 1/4-inch square socket holder, allowing you to put a 1/4-inch ratchet on there, which means you can get that extra torque to grip around with. So very, very useful. We've got a little small 1/4-inch ratchet, reversible, one-handed operation to switch direction. The one nice thing about this is if we listen very carefully, we've actually got 72 teeth, meaning we've got a 5-degree click angle there. So really useful when getting into those really tight to reach areas. And again, PU back-base handle, so no worry about getting oil, dirt, petrol, diesel on there. It's not going to corrode that rubber away. In terms of sockets, we've got 4mm all the way up to 14mm hex head, and this also includes Würth power drive system, which means all the torque doesn't get applied directly to the corner. Okay, it actually gets applied to the flats, meaning there's less likely chance of those sockets rounding over our nuts and bolts. We've also got an adapter inside here. This converts 1/4-inch socket into a 1/4-inch bit holder. So very, very useful there to go alongside the bits. And we've also got our articulated joint as well. Alongside that, you also get a tape measure inside the kit. This is a 3-meter metric tape measure, and of course, snaps back in place. So a really nice light addition to go inside that set. And there we have it. That's Würth's 50-piece Reinhold's limited edition tool set.